Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I'm going to be taking you along as I go hygiene shopping. So basically, I'm just going to take you along as I re-up on some of my hygiene essentials here at Target. I've been seeing all of these all over my YouTube algorithm. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like videos like this, because I want to do more hygiene videos as well. But I also do thrifting, natural hair, productivity, fashion stuff, you know. So make sure to subscribe, and yeah, let's just go ahead and go inside so I can stop rambling. So I'm over by the lotions, and they only have literally these three, and this one's opened. I've also really been wanting the Dr. Bronner's soap, like the bar soap, this one right here. Been needing one of these, so I'm gonna pick that up. Back when I was like freshman year of college, I had this Tree Hut scrub called Sugar Cookie, and I've never been able to find it since. This one smells good. It's like, I have the body butter in this one, but I don't know, I already have this one, so it's like, do I really need to get another scrub? I feel like I don't, but at the same time, this one smells too good, and I already have the body butter. This one's actually not that good. I smelled this one, and it's on sale because it's literally terrible. Like, it smells awful. I'm gonna just hang on to this, and I might get it, but I might not, because I don't need it. Guys, the way I only came here for the tongue scrapers, and they don't even have them, but usually I'll get the disposable ones. So I ended up getting this from the oral care section because they didn't have the little ones, but I'm gonna just try this one. It's reasonable, and it's $5, so. When I tell you guys, this brand right here, Flamingo for razors, this is the one I have because it's pink and I love it. But this will get you right, like no ingrowns, perfect. Like, oh my gosh, my nail came off. Yeah, I've been hearing that this Naturium vitamin C body wash gets rid of like dark spots on your skin. For this price, I really hope it does. So I'm now in the soap aisle, and guys, this is $3.69 for the Dial antibacterial wash, and I already got the Dr. Bronner's one for $5, but this comes with 3 of them. Dial has never led me the wrong way. I get this instead, but yeah, that's just the smarter choice. So I'm gonna just grab one of these. See, this is $2.89 for 2 packs. Need some of these. So look at this, $3 off exfoliating body wash, and it's my favorite one. Like, this is the only one that I like. I don't use it, or I haven't tried any of the other ones, but I literally love this scrub. If you guys like scented deodorant, this is the one you gotta get. Like, bomb, and it lasts all day. 48 hours. Okay, so I'm back from Target. Everything fit into one bag. Anyways, my camera is dying, so I'm gonna try to make this quick and show you guys what I got, do a little haul. So I'm gonna start off with the oral care type stuff that I got. So I got this tongue scraper because they were out of the disposable ones, but it's the oral brush tongue cleaner. But it's basically just comes with like a scraper and bristles for your tongue, keep it clean. And then I got the TheraBreath oral rinse fresh breath, and I've been using this since freshman year in college, and it is the truth. Like, you take this, you use this at night, in the morning, whenever, but if you use it at night, you will literally wake up with no morning breath if you use it consistently, which I used to love. I tried the whitening one, and I found that it wasn't as effective in performing that way, but I think it's really good, and that's why I had to get this again. because I had just been using regular mouthwash and it just doesn't hit the same. Then I got some cotton rounds and makeup remover wipes. The cotton rounds I use with micellar water, and I also use it with like witch hazel, wipe any crevices, keep you fresh, especially in the summer. And yeah, so I used that for both of those and also my nails, so I had to get some of these. Honestly, just got the regular basic Target brand, and it's just more convenient sometimes when you need to quickly take off your makeup, or if you forget to take it off at night, like put one of these on your nightstand. That's what I do. Then moving on to body care, I got Dial Advanced Clean antibacterial bar soap, and I like to double cleanse, so basically that means cleaning with an antibacterial soap first, get all the germs, dirt, grime off your body, and then using your body wash, which I like to use the Native coconut and vanilla, but I got the hugest bottle of that thing. Like, I'm not running out of that for a while. Shout out to Cam, thank you for getting me that. I was gonna get the Dr. Bronner's peppermint one, as you guys saw in the vlog, but that one was 3 for $3.96. Like, you can't turn that down. And then I got the Brightener Vitamin C Body Wash by Naturium. This is what it looks like. Basically, it's supposed to exfoliate and brighten and make all of your skin an even tone. I like to use vitamin C and niacinamide in my skincare routine, so I would love to incorporate that into my like body care, make sure my skin's all smooth and one color. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how this works. I'll keep you guys updated in my next hygiene video. Okay, and then I got the Flamingo razor cartridges. Oh yeah, and this is what the actual razor looks like. I have that one and I've been using it for, I'd say, almost a year now, and I'd say this brand is really good because it helps prevent ingrowns. It really gets a close shave, and mine is pink, so had to get that. And then I got this body polish, the Dove body polish. It's like a scrub, but it's like less grainy. Scent crushed macadamia and rice milk, and I have been using this exact one since high school. Like, my friend Jamia got it for me once for my birthday, and it's been in my rotation ever since. And then I just got the Secret Weightless Dry Spray. I love this deodorant because, one, it doesn't like make your underarms white as much. It smells really good and it actually lasts. I'm a vanilla girly, always going to be. So they have all types of scents. And then last, I actually didn't get this Target trip, but I just wanted to put it in the video. But I got this EOS Coconut Waters body lotion recently, and this smells really good. I'd give it a 7 out of 10 for moisture, but if you pair it with like your heavy duty moisture lotion, like I use the CeraVe body cream, like I'll insert a picture of it because I don't know how to explain it, but I use that, I mix that with this, and my skin stays so moisturized and glowy and just smelling good. Yeah. So that is the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.